Hello guys, today we will learn machine learning methods and their IoT applications. Uh, okay, so here we go. Uh, Next thing is first thing we will learn is extract useful information, that is called data processing. Uh, in this part we will learn machine learning algorithms. Our algorithms implemented in Python 3 and using scikit library. So we will see the programs also to for the implementation part. Okay, so first we go through the theories and then we will implement programs. So here we have classification, clustering, regression, or naive-based classification. So we have three parts. Okay, so this classification part, clustering part, regression part. So in classification we will do naive-based classification, KNN. For clustering we will do k-mean, DVScan, and for regression we will do linear regression, ridge regression, and that. Now we go for process. For process we will do what we will do is we will collect raw data, raw sensory data, Raspberry Pi 3. We solve typical tasks of gateways. We require server platforms. Next thing is basic signal processing framework. So here we will do sensor signal segmentation, windowing, denoising, feature extraction, classification, and then we will also figure source signal is acquired from sensor and then processed typically in frame by frame or in batch mode. Feature extraction stage will extract compact information bearing parameters that characterize the data. The classification stage will have to be trained by machine learning algorithms. So for the machine learning algorithms, the first algorithm what we will see is linear regression. So regression is a statistical technique of estimating the relationship between input and output variables. It maps the input variable to a continuous function. So here is a function hx equal to w. What is w? W is the features, w is the weights, and x is the features. So w0 plus w1 x1 plus w2 x2. So this is the linear function, linear multivariable function. So the output is the linear sum of weighted input features. The weights are typically learned by weighted. So we will see a complete study of the machine learning in IoT domain in coming videos. So stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe.